Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing. So this is a bit special. I've waited for this combination and I didn't even think that I would find it. And then one day I found it. And hence we're doing this video. I really made sure that I wanted to keep it. I have had this in my possession for about 2 weeks now, and yeah, that's pretty sure that I am comfortable to keep it. Alright, so before that, I would like to introduce myself to anyone who is new to this channel. I am Kenny. I do these kind of luxury bag unboxings and reviews. If these kind of videos interests you, then I would like for you to consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell button to notify of all the videos that I do make. So yeah, thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so here is the box. And this came all the way from Japan. It's been ages since I bought something from Japan. This is from an eBay reseller called Brandia, and I've been following this eBay shop for so many years now, and their prices are actually priced so reasonably well compared to their other competitors. And I feel like most of the time you see so much good deals on them, but you also have to consider like customs tax and duties because they add up as well. So yeah, it came with pretty much everything except for the receipt. So yeah, let's open her up. So we got the bag itself and the dust bag. It's got the lock and it's got that information here. Thank you for your purchase, things like that. All right, so here she is. All right, there. Let's open her up. Ta-da-da-da. Oh my god, you guys. Yes, oh my god, she is a stunner. Look at that combination. All right, first of all, I would like to introduce my newest acquisition. It's the Herbag Zip 31 in this stunning combination. All right, my gripe with Herbags with the stitch edges or the cilia version is that I love when the leather here matches that edge there. I feel like it's super elegant and expensive looking, to me at least. But here she is. So it's got the clochette in there. It's got some wear to it, which initially underwhelmed me because this bag was such a good deal, but it looks like brand new, and it was only fraction of a price for this bag. But anyways, I decided to keep it because anyway, all the bags, the Herbags that I've seen in this kind of combination are almost double of what I paid for, which is my kind of decision making in a way. All right, so okay, I'll be honest with you guys. The Herbag from Hermes, these bags didn't interest me initially, but there was one Instagram, her name is VK, and I'll pop her Instagram handle on the screen, and I saw this particular combination, but hers is with the gold hardware. I feel like oh my god, if I would ever have a chance to add this Herbag in my collection, it would be this particular one. And okay, like sometimes when I see some bags that I like, I try and look for the price on the Pillow Market. And so I did, which, you know, when I saw the prices, I was like, oh, okay, no thank you. But I mean, that's kind of a wish list in a way, but then I didn't, it was like a wishful thinking if I see a good deal on that. But you know, here we are on this video. It is still a bit expensive to my liking, but then again, I just couldn't pass it up. I couldn't sleep, so I bought it. It's so funny with these bags and how they make you feel. Okay, so funny, isn't it? All right. What am I gonna say? So I just lost my train of thought now. All right. Also, I went into the store. I went into Stylish Top, which is a pre-loved luxury designer store here in Melbourne. They have a physical store in the city, and so I popped in one day, you know, just to browse. And so I found a Herbag Zip 31 in orange, and I loved it because sometimes I try and make this bag work in some outfits. It works, especially in this color, but then the size, it overwhelms everything else, in my opinion. Is kind of too big for some daily activities that I'm after. I don't carry a lot with me anyway. When going out for coffee with friends and things like that, this is too much to bring. But then I thought the Herbag Zip 31 is a much more reasonable bag to be using for, you know, your daily errands and things like that. And so like I thought, oh my god, I feel like I needed a 31 Herbag Zip. So I did. Here we are, aren't we? Okay, let me try it on, and just so you know how it looks like on body. It actually looks so good. It doesn't overwhelm my frame, and I love it. I am obsessed with this. Okay. Do you guys have a Herbag Zip 31? Do you use it much more frequently if you got both? But I'll be honest with you guys, when I got this, I listed this on eBay, like thinking you should just keep one. So yeah, of course people have bid on it, and I had like instant remorse and took the listing down because, oh my god, I think I needed more time to think through it, because I just couldn't. How good are these two bags? Look at them. Super stunning. Okay, like I can use this for work if I wanted to, and this for my like leisure and coffee dates and things like that. I love it, super love it. And right now it's like super cold, wet, like wintry weather here in Melbourne, and whenever I see this, reminds me, like it reassures me that, oh my gosh, reminds me of the warmer months that is yet to come, because sometimes like these winters can get so depressing. So yeah. So I love it so much. I love it. I am glad to have you in my collection. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Let me put you down, my little queen. All right, so that is it for my unboxing. I hope you liked it. I would like to know your opinions on the comment section down below. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!